Hey, what's up guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a airplane. So what you want to do is first want to start like that. Now you want to go up with a curvy line like that, a line at the top like that, then a line back down. Now you want to draw the windows. You can draw them square or circles. I like circles, so you can do those. Now that you have that, you want to draw that as like the glass from the captain's like quarters, and then you want to draw a oval there and an oval there. Now you can add details. You can add details. You can color it however you want. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notifications bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.